My name is Don Welcher. I'm the Director of Manufacturing Technology, and also I'm one of the full-time instructors here at the Manufacturing Technology Building. At the Manufacturing Technology Building, we have several degree options for certificates. There's 7 in total. So we have industrial electronics, we have manufacturing system technology, automotive automated manufacturing. We also have computer-aided design and drafting. We have welding technology. So within those 7 degree options, there's a lot of what I call learners, where they can play in the sandbox and attain skills and competencies that our industry partners are looking for. So with that, I'm going to I got some nice cool toys that we use in our lab. We're in our electromechanical lab. And I'm just going to kind of point to these guys, do a little demo, and show you where these classes that we have, just give you a little snippet of the classes that you will learn these skills that are very necessary for industry. So I'm going to start with this guy because I'm really proud of this. We have, as you can see, we've got a virtual reality headset, and we just received these guys, and this headset's going to be used to teach what's called our Mechanical Systems 1 course. And with that course, you can get a certification. It's the Manufacturing Standard Skills Console, we call it MSSC for short, credential and maintenance awareness. So with this particular technology, you guys will be able to be immersed in a virtual world where you'll understand how mechanical systems work, also the control panels that are used to operate, say, the motor drives. And also, the way it's set up virtually, the lab is just like what you'll see in the physical lab. So I'll be immersed in that world with you, and there's an avatar, I believe his name is Sam. And he will be providing some instruction, technical assistance. Of course, I'll be there to facilitate that knowledge. So I'm really excited about this technology. And again, a lot of companies, not only in the Birmingham area, but outside of Birmingham, they're really focusing on virtual reality for training and augmentation of like repairing systems. So a lot of skills that you'll be learning. I like it. You know, I'm an electrical engineer. Every time I come in this lab or our robotics lab, I have a good time with my learners, and you know, it's a journey, so it's a partnership. You know, I'm the advisor too for the program, and I will guide you on your journey as you obtain these skills and knowledge that will benefit you, your family, and also just, you know, have fun learning. So that's it. Look forward to seeing you, talking to you about the program in person, and everyone have a great day. Thank you.